I used to think flawless skin came from expensive products and 10-step routines. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. My skin was breaking out, dry, irritated, and nothing helped. But when I simplified everything, something finally clicked. This routine changed my skin and my confidence. And today, I'm walking you through exactly what worked. Simple steps, real results. Let's get into it. The glow up. No one told me about no lies, no filters, and definitely no 20-step routine. Without a cap, this skincare routine didn't just fix my skin, it transformed my entire relationship with how I show up every day. I used to scroll past other people's before and after posts, thinking they had some secret I'd never find. But turns out it wasn't a secret. It was simple. What made the difference wasn't expensive products or viral hacks. It was stripping everything back to the basics: hydration, barrier repair, and consistency. I was doing the most, and my skin hated it. Let me be real. I was that person with a crowded bathroom shelf, always chasing the next miracle product. Scrubs that felt like sandpaper, toners that stung, and serums layered like cake. I had oily skin and still somehow dealt with dry flakes. My cheeks were red, my chin always broke out, and didn't even get me started on texture. I thought I was helping my skin, but it was just overwhelming. I kept trying more stronger products, longer routines, but nothing gave me results. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Less foam, more respect. The first thing I changed was my cleanser. I got rid of anything that foamed up like dish soap and switched to a gentle, creamy cleanser. No fragrance, no harsh surfactants, just something that removed oil and dirt without stripping the life out of my skin. I used to think squeaky clean meant effective, but all it did was wreck my moisture barrier. Now, I wash with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Step 2. Hydrating toner or essence. Press, don't swipe. Next came hydration. Not those old school toners that smell like perfume and sting your face. I'm talking about hydrating toners or essences packed with ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. These help your skin soak up whatever comes next and keep it looking plump. I pour a few drops into my hands and press it directly into my face. No cotton pads, no rubbing. Just press and let it melt in. Step 3. Niacinamide serum. The texture fixer. This right here, the game changer. I started using a niacinamide serum and wow, the results were fast. My redness calmed down, my texture smoothed out, and the oil on my T-zone actually balanced itself out. Niacinamide is one of those ingredients that does a lot without irritating your skin. It helped shrink my pores, reduced breakouts, and gave my skin that soft, even look I never thought I'd have without makeup. Step 4. Lightweight moisturizer. Less is more. For moisturizer, I realized one size doesn't fit all. Some days I needed a gel, other days I reached for a cream. The key was using something that locked in moisture without clogging my pores or feeling heavy. My old moisturizers used to just sit on top of my skin, making me greasy by noon. Now, I use one that absorbs quickly but leaves my skin feeling soft and strong. Step 5. Mineral SPF, the non-negotiable. Last but never least, sunscreen. And not just sometimes, every single day. Even when I'm indoors or it's cloudy. I used to think SPF was optional, but I was wrong. It protects your skin from damage, aging, hyperpigmentation, and honestly, it locks in all the progress you're making with your routine. I went with a mineral SPF because it's gentler and less likely to cause breakouts. The results? More than just skin deep. Now, my skincare shelf has 5 products. That's it. I spend less time and less money, but I get better results. My skin feels calm, hydrated, and healthy. I still get the occasional breakout because I'm human, but my skin bounces back faster. If you've ever felt stuck in your skincare journey, I've been there. But trust me, less really can be more. If this routine helped you or gave you something to think about, hit like and subscribe. Your skin deserves better. And so do you.